Hello, and welcome to this Itential Automation Platform 2020.1 showcase, in which I'll talk about the new Automation Gateway Manager. In a typical deployment of Itential Automation Platform, we have several automation gateways that contain all of your network scripts, all of your playbooks, roles, modules, collections from Ansible, as well as all of your Terraform integrations. And those automation gateways register all of their resources, all of their devices back to IAP. An automation designer can then choose which task, which item to run on those specific automation gateways. Let's take a look at what that looked like before 2020.1. I'm on the previous release, IAP 2019.3 right now. I have an empty automation here. And what we see in our task list, I actually have, like in the slide, 2 automation gateways registered with my IAP. If I look for something like A10, I see all A10 modules, and I see that I have the A10 server module installed on my brown discovery as well as on my green discovery automation gateway. Same would work if I look for something like Bootstrap. I would see every module, every script that has that name from both of those. The problem with this approach is I could use, for example, this ASA Bootstrap task in my automation, but it would not run successfully if the device I want to run this on happened to be in the other automation gateway. So we require some prior knowledge of the automation builder on where a resource is located. That is not always feasible. That is why in 2020.1 we introduced a new application called AG Manager. It's a headless application, so you will never see it in the application list on your home screen. But what it does is basically it implements an automation gateway and device broker. What that means is it takes all the information from all different automation gateways, merges and deduplicates all resources that come back, same for devices, and then it allows for a single pane of glass for all of your resources you might have on any automation gateway. Let's see what that looks like. I'm switching over to my 2020.1 instance, and we see here, even though I'm connected to the same 2 automation gateways, they don't even show up here anymore. What shows up though is an AG Manager. And again, if I look for A10, for example, I do find all of my modules here. And what is happening now is I can just choose whichever one. I can make sure to run this on a certain device that could be passed in by a form or from ServiceNow, for example. And I can be sure that it will always be redirected to the correct automation gateway to run on the correct device, and I have a fail-safe, brokered, federated solution here. Thank you for watching this quick videos. If you have any questions about what you've just seen, please visit us on developer.itential.io or email us. Thank you so much.